क्या क्या बोल रहा था भाई, वो सारी गंदी बातें अभी
Kevin, I
जोर के।
can't believe you. Yeah, I can't believe you'd say that, man.
हाँ भाई,
What is wrong with you?
नहीं
Would you
ऐसे
care
नहीं।
to repeat what
Akash,
you said for the
I
audience?
mean, I just said that Akash got muted like in
Yeah, I can't
किस
believe you said that. Gee.
देख यार,
at the age of 10.
ऐसे जोक्स मत करा कर यार, ऐसे जोक्स मत करा कर, उसे बुरा लगता है और मुझे डांट पड़ती है फिर। आई डोंट वांट टू बी स्कोल्डेड एनीमोर।
Bakawas.
ओके प्लीज।
What-
आकाश थोड़ा सेंसिटिव है, थोड़ा
Very.
ना 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 थोड़ा नाजुक इंसान है भाई। मैंने टाइम स्टैम्प याद आ गया मुझे, मैंने बटन दबा दिया, 5 सेकंड डिले है बट मुझे याद आ गया।
Chalo, better to have something.
आज
So,
कौन सा दिन है?
आज
Friday.
कौन सा दिन? Friday है bro.
अच्छा, सारे मैचेस खत्म हो गए ना, शाबाश।
Basically, so maybe our audience will be happy that there's not much sports to be discussed. Even NBA
क्या
got stopped
मुझे
for 2 days
मुझे
because
कमेंट
of the
मिला,
travel.
किसको पता कि एनबीए में क्या हो रहा है, किसको पता फुटबॉल में क्या हो रहा है। मैंने कहा फिर हम सिर्फ अकेले वेल्ले हैं ना जो ये
No,
देखते रहते हैं।
that was from the first episode when we started Too Hot to Handle. Obviously, from that, if they didn't get हम वेले हैं, then
या दैट इज समथिंग आई लाइक टू क्लैरिफाई। इट्स नॉट लाइक हमारे पास कुछ ज़्यादा सीरियस टॉपिक्स होंगे, और होंगे भी। आई डोंट थिंक उस पे हमारा ओपिनियन ज़्यादा सीरियसली लेना चाहिए किसी को भी। हम जस्ट ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ आवर हेड कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं। लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट एनी ऑफ दिस पीपल आर थिंकिंग, बट हम चारों का ओपिनियन शुड नॉट बी टेकन दैट सीरियसली एज अ डिस्क्लेमर।
yes, my word is law.
तेरी बात तू खुद नहीं मानता बे, और लोग कौन मानेंगे तेरी बात। तू अब
Amrit,
तुझे तुझे
Amrit,
तुझे
you
खुद
want to get screamed at again, Amrit? You want to get screamed?
हाँ अच्छा, नहीं आकाश, आकाश योर ओपिनियन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू से वेरी नाइस थिंग्स। यस
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyway, let's
Dude,
start this podcast off. Kevin, try and control yourself. Do not interrupt in the middle.
screw you. Fuck off, Akash.
हाँ
Yes, get it all out of your system.
इसका हर बात पे स्क्रू यू ही बोलता है ना ये, जब
He
इसको
always says it. I
मैं
wonder if
हमारा
you'll
मैं
say
हमारा
something new now.
मैं हमारा एपिसोड सुन रहा था और मेरे को ये स्क्रू यू ही बोलता है हर बात पे।
Ah, so you're the one listener who I keep seeing like pop up. One person has listened to your podcast.
तो मैं सड़कों पे जॉगिंग के बीच में ये सुन के, अब हमारे जोक सुन के बीच में आई एम लाइक शर्म के मारे रुक जाता हूँ रोड के बीच में। क्या क्या
I was
घटिया।
wondering, there's always one listener, who keeps coming back for the podcast. क्या बात है? Good, good, good.
अच्छा हुआ अभी तक हमने चैनल्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन ओपन नहीं किए लोगों के साथ, वरना अभी तक और जो 5 बाकी 3 लोग जो सुन रहे हैं वो भी गालियाँ सुनाएँगे
Yes,
कि ये क्या टाइम पर। हाँ भाई
anyway,
शुरू कर।
let's start this episode off. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 10th episode of the Vele podcast. 10th, guys, 10th. Can you
ये
believe it?
11th नहीं है?
What rubbish is the 10th?
Yeah, I think
अच्छा,
it was the 11th, Akash.
No way.
नंबर 9 तो आज अपलोड हुआ है ना, 28
Hello, then
तारीख
it's
को।
the 11th episode of the podcast.
मस्त होगा ना अगर कुछ गलत
Our
है।
host is an idiot. Our
मस्त
host
होगा
is
ना,
drunk.
अगर कुछ गलत होगा
Oh
तो मस्त
yeah,
होगा।
it's because our 10th episode was pretty crap. I have to fix that badly in editing. Oh, yeah.
तो मतलब ये थोड़ी ना तू भूल जाएगा कि रिकॉर्ड किया था।
I forgot it completely. Anyway, welcome
आकाश
to the
हमें पेचेक
11th.
कब मिलेगा?
Welcome to the 11th episode of the Vele podcast, guys. I am your host Akash, and in this podcast we talk about whatever the hell we want to. Apparently,
Akash, थोड़ा volume बढ़ा दे. We can't hear you.
और वे
hello.
ट्राइंग टू जोन यू आउट, तेरी आवाज ऐसी है कि मन नहीं करता सुनने का। ऐसा मैं नहीं कह रहा, ऐसा कुछ लोग कहते
Anyway,
हैं।
I am joined by my friends Amrit.
क्या हुआ? मुझे कुछ कहना है?
क्या हुआ?
Yes. Kevin.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, shut up. And Arnav.
अर्नव groaned for some reason right now. Is he moaning? भाई क्या कर रहा है तू? Some sensual whine I heard from his side.
Oh,
अजीब है
Arnav,
but okay.
Arnav is busy. I think that was Kevin, by the way.
केविन अर्नव का
I
मोन
just
क्यों नहीं
said
डाल रहा?
hello.
Oh, you said hello. It sounded like you said it was just a moan from your end, actually.
केविन क्या आवाज है निकालता है किसको पता?
So sometimes we talk about 4 topics, 3 topics, or even 2 topics. And yeah, so let's just get straight into it, shall we?
टॉपिक नंबर 1
Arnav's
शुरू
on
करने
mute,
वाले
by
हैं।
the way.
What's up?
There you go. That was
क्या?
Arnav, by the way, to our listeners.
अरे काम चल रहा था साइड में।
हाँ, नहीं वो
Yes.
काम की आवाज़ आ गई थी भाई, टेंशन मत ले।
Yeah, we heard
पर
the calm. Kevin provided input on the
अरे वो
calm.
केविन था, कम ऑन यार।
अच्छा आकाश भाई शुरू
So,
कर।
so I'm going to start off this podcast by saying my first topic is about the Sushant Singh Rajput case and
शाबाश।
what the whole
Shabash.
Shabbat, the whole thing that's going on with Riya Chakraborty and everyone involved, his friends and family. I wanted to know what your guys' opinion on the case is. Do you think it's just being stretched, or do you think there is some actual accountability involved on Riya Chakraborty's part?
अर्नब से शुरू कर। अर्नब वैसे बोलता नहीं है, अर्नब से शुरू करते हैं, उल्टे ऑर्डर में चलते हैं।
अरे केविन से यार, केविन काफी इंसाइटफुल है। केविन,
नहीं,
गो
नहीं,
फॉर इट।
नहीं,
Kuttal
अर्नब से
Sale.
स्टार्ट कर।
You know when people are awkward about a topic when they keep passing it
I
around.
don't know. I don't know much about like Rhea Chakravarti's involvement personally because now last thing I read was heard some WhatsApp messages confirming that what dosage of drugs should be given to him or some bullshit like that. So I don't know really. It's not been proved anything about Rhea Chakravarti's contribution to this, but like I- all of a sudden they're dragging in names of his ex secretary. Then what is Saif Ali Khan's daughter's name? Sara Ali
Sarah.
Khan's. Yeah, them both being stuck in a hotel for 3 days. It has nothing to do with it. I have no idea what the investigation person is doing.
वेट, इवन सारा अली खान इज इन्वॉल्व्ड इस केस में या सेपरेटली कुछ?
ओके,
No,
दैट्स
it's,
न्यू,
no,
I mean,
no.
दैट्स
all
न्यू
of a sudden
इन्फॉर्मेशन।
today it says Sara Ali Khan's name has been dragged into this.
ओ वाओ।
No,
एक
they
एक करके पूरा
apparently.
इंडस्ट्री लेके आ जाओ.
I think it was Kangana who said that there was some romantic link up. I think that between Sara Ali Khan and Sushant Singh Rajput, what they were shooting, but I think that's just rumors. I don't think. Well, most of
Oh,
this is based on rumors, I think.
so it's
But
not directly case related.
no,
दिस इज
she's
बेस्ड
not
ऑन
being
फैंटेसी
questioned
एट
or
दिस
anything
पॉइंट।
that
Okay,
I
okay.
know of. This
Hmm.
seems like, yeah, it's just rumored. But yeah, so Kevin, do you think that there was some ill purpose behind it, or do you think it was just a mental
I
state,
mean,
mental condition that forced him to? I mean, it could be a
the
possibility of
timing of
both.
them breaking up and all that is very suspicious. I mean, definitely if he was being like threatened or something like that, she probably has to know about it, and she might not be just saying it out loud because obviously she has a life and she has a career as well to look after. So if Sushant Singh Rajput was getting threatened for some reason by the big shots in the industry, I'm pretty sure Rhea Chakraborty is not going to be the one who reveals that.
Mm-hmm.
So and to be honest, the details of what all it says is that Rhea Chakraborty was questioned in Santa Cruz police station for 10 hours. It has no details of what exactly she has told or what the police has found. So it's still very vague on Rhea Chakraborty's side.
When you question someone for 10 hours and unless they're charge sheeted, usually the interrogation didn't go well.
That's what I was
Right.
thinking. That after 10 hours, they're calling her back again. Is very weird. But that's my thing. Like the WhatsApp messages that leaked of hers, that apparently she was asking about how much dosage of drugs she needs to put in his tea and everything, like Kevin mentioned. And even Amrit, what was the drug?
MDMA यार, MDMA, it's a form
MDMA.
of ecstasy.
Yeah, even that as well being involved. And apparently there was, I think, a report. I don't know if it's trustworthy or not. That uh, amount of there are 20 Bollywood people involved with this drug. The the drug dealer guy who was providing the drugs, and their names have been taken up by the CBI. I have no idea if that's true or not,
In,
but that's
in 2020, we find out that people take drugs. You could go to
yeah,
a college
exactly in
campus,
Bollywood.
you could go to a school campus right now and find those similar amount of drugs.
Yeah, so that's the
I,
thing. That's another thing that's been going on. But yeah, Amrit,
Yeah.
what is your view on the thing?
no, no, let Kevin को खत्म करने दे यार, फिर अर्नब बोलेगा, मैं नहीं कर रहा
Oh,
शुरुआत
like
इसमें।
just one note. My mom had told like I saw like something on the news that someone was forcing this guy, Sushant Singh Rajput, to take some drug called marijuana. I'm like, wait, what marijuana? And I don't know what this is. I just first thing I told mom was, I don't know. I have no idea about this.
यस सर 28-29 पे भी हमें 5 या 6 वाली करनी है। मैंने तो नहीं किया, वो तो गंदे बच्चे कर रहे थे,
मैंने तो
मैंने
नहीं
नहीं
किया।
किया।
It was like me. I'm like, but she's like, yeah, he smoked marijuana and everything. He might have died because I'm like, but marijuana doesn't kill, it just gives a high. And my mom's like, wait, what? How do you know all of this? I'm like, I know, I've just heard it. I've never done it though.
Oh, it
Just heard
doesn't
it.
kill अगर even high dosage में है तो?
नहीं
Very
भाई।
rare, very very rare. I'm sure there are cases.
Oh,
See, the thing is people who have a paranoid mindset उनके लिए weed can have detrimental effects and which can cause a certain action. But a majority of people
That
के
way.
लिए it's a stress elevator. अब एक young age पे अगर तुम करो again, you may have certain side effects, but there is it's not going to cause you to a death or any of those things under any of those under any
I mean,
unless it's extreme circumstances. That's very
the,
verifiable, that has been tested, and while that is some from coming from someone who never enjoyed it in the first place, but I
Same.
don't particularly think that उससे लोग मरने वाले हैं. If you want to think of a drug that kills people much more faster, then alcohol might should be number one on the list. Cigarettes, tobacco should be much
yeah,
higher
yeah.
on that,
Definitely.
which is
But
like
yeah, I
close.
Yeah,
mean,
and marijuana only like it's you don't get hallucinations or anything. So it's not like you can go and like go kill someone or like jump out of a building. The chances are very low. It's
No,
not that
Kevin,
kind
the
of a
thing is,
drug.
there can be a case where some pre-existing condition gets triggered. If someone has like schizophrenic conditions or is going through a certain form of trauma, it might, but that is similar to saying that that person can be triggered by sniffing something wrong. Somebody says something weird to someone and they end up taking an extreme step. It is pretty much like that, similar odds. That's literally it. Like imagine somebody was, and I hate to put it that way, having suicidal tendencies or having some, really dark, are in a really dark place in their mental state wise. And somebody says something terrible to them in public transport or office may or something, and they end up either going back with a gun and shooting somebody and then killing themselves, or like they take their own life. It's pretty much similar. If you're on edge, anything can set you off as a catalyst, essentially.
I guess it just puts you in a passive state of mind, at least.
Yeah, majority of people, like
Nothing
majority
much
of
more.
people, if
Yeah.
you see them, they're just like lounging around doing practically nothing of weed.
Hmm.
What he is on MDMA and ecstasy वगैरह का, like from people who have had it and have been under its वो, it's a very like वो तुम्हारा sensation बहुत improve करता है, तो like people West में especially for like sexual purposes, it has a huge वो clientele की, like that high and a low is quite वो, like it's a very bliss inducing experience. But उसका problem ये है कि उन drugs में it is क्या कहते हैं, the addiction का chances are really really high, because you want to keep experiencing that like that unbridled joy that you felt in those moments. So yeah,
good to know.
if that was being thrown into his system as they are saying, again my point would only be कि इसका correlation क्या है to what happened is my only question, कि like हुआ क्या है, हमें क्या
Yeah.
पता है. अच्छा, if she was giving him uh, MDMA, as Akash said, तूने चैट्स में देखा, तूने बोला तो she was giving him that, did that cause this wo? Because if people are mixing drug overdose and wo, like there are a lot of people in a lot of our cities and our wo who are having MDMA का form one way or the other. उसके बाद क्या एक्शन लिया जाता है, I do not know. Was she doing it
It's
on
stupid
purpose?
though, no? I mean, whether she was doing it on purpose or not, there should have been a postmortem done right after that, right? That will
Yeah, no.
clearly show whether it was a drug overdose or not.
So the post-mortem report apparently is not an overdose. but they did find these drugs substances in his body.
ओ ये
See,
रूमर है ये कंफर्म न्यूज़ है?
This was, I think, confirmed by Times Now or Republic, one of them,
okay,
man, the ones who
see,
make the most noise about it.
ev- everyone makes a
हम्म.
lot of noise at this point, but see, the thing is, I remember because right after the incident happened, there's this photo that was being thrown around of उसकी पोस्ट हैंगिंग फोटो जो थी
Yeah. Yep.
that was being thrown. So and people assumed he hung himself. So now the conspiracy is like he didn't actually hang himself and like he died of a drug overdose or drug overdose के बाद he hung himself, which doesn't make any sense. Because if you have a drug
Nope.
overdose उसके बाद you've already OD'd, तुम उसके बाद जाके अलग से थोड़ा ना कुछ करने वाले हो.
For me, I thought it might have been like he couldn't see anywhere else out, so he just hung himself because either he was in a bad position. I don't know if it's because of Rhea Chakraborty or whatever Bollywood may, or just personally his mind.
Life, oh, and everything.
Yeah.
Like, see, like I said, when we originally discussed, I don't know, हमने podcast पे discuss किया था नहीं है. It is like, I think podcast पे शायद discuss किया था. अगर उस इंसान ने suicide commit किया है, then very clearly they have reached a point in life where they don't see there's any other. They don't see another way out. Like they feel deliberately trapped, and I think people are very hurt by seeing someone who had a huge amount of potential be like they cannot understand the unfairness of it. And corona ke time mein, I guess the unfairness of life has come up again.
Yeah.
Like people go just like that aspect of, like if we were in the 40s or 50s or World War II chal raha hai, I don't think those generation will complain about the unfairness of life. People who saw, their bombing, their relatives die going to war and all of that, or anything along those lines. Like हमारी generation में, I think very specifically there's this idea कि like something nefarious has to have happened, and I'm pretty sure there's a chance that that has also happened. Like कुछ भी हो सकता है. At this point, like I am just confused because I want to like make my peace with this person's woe, but it's like नया नया the way they are discussing it is probably more irritating to me than what they are discussing.
सेम
Like
आई थिंक दैट्स द सैड पार्ट
Mm.
कि ये न्यूज़ नेशनल न्यूज़ है अभी इंस्टेड ऑफ सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स एंड which is the sad part. I mean, ठीक है इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए and everything, but why is it on news every single day? और वो भी the way they are showing it, पता नहीं, as if this is the biggest case of the century.
we are
I mean,
facing a pandemic.
yeah,
We
I
are
mean, employment
facing
problems है, health
uh,
problems है, there's so n number of things going on, and I mean, वो भी cover करते हैं all the media channels, but the prime time is Sushant Singh Rajput, which is sad. Initially ठीक है, you have to cover it to bring up the वो सब chat and everything, but उसके बाद it's still going on. कब when did he क्या कब की डेट है ये? March?
I can't remember the date when he
not March, not
passed, but
March, not March. April, May, if I'm not wrong.
It's been almost 2-3 months और अभी भी the same thing is going on and on, which is crazy. I mean, I recently read somewhere कि किसी ने petition डाला है Supreme Court में
Yeah, the
to stop
High
this
Court of
media
Delhi
trial. And I was like, oh,
was
finally, someone had senses to at least try these things out.
yeah, and
Because this is crazy what's going on again.
Sushant Singh Raj,
June,
if officially, he died on 14th June 2020.
June.
June, okay.
I
Yeah,
agree
still
that
end
that
of
whole
August, yeah.
all the media circus is a bit too much. I don't know how his family feels about it, but just reliving that whole thing that he's passed must be very like depressing, man, for family at least. Unless I think they do believe that Ria Chakraborty has been behind it, at least from the sisters and father, since the father put the case on.
Akash, let me tell you this in a very straight way. His case is being investigated by India's premier detective agencies.
Hmm.
You have CBI, you have the unka area ka police, you have the Narcotics Bureau also, which is looking into this.
And
No others, and the EDS, Enforcement Directorate भी है इसमें. So you have to, as a relative, you cannot bear the pain of what has happened to your loved one. It is such, so much of it is out of the blue. Like तुम्हें तुमने सोचा नहीं होगा कि someone who was on that path, regardless of how hard life was, they had made it, right? He had made it in life. Like he was there, someone they could be proud of. and now one day out of the blue he's taken from them. But what is happening now, I do not think is justice wala wo. The case to already ho chuka hai na yaar. If this was a case that was not being investigated, I
Yeah,
understand one
same.
thing. And people will be like people will be like मीडिया प्रेशर की वजह से इन्वेस्टिगेट हो रहा था, ठीक है, बट अभी तो मीडिया
I mean, till
इन्वेस्टिगेट
the
कर रही है
date
यार,
the CBI
लोग
इंक्वायरी
इन्वेस्टिगेट।
वाज पेंडिंग कि भाई वो उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट किया है केस, वो सब वहां तक मीडिया ने हल्ला गुल्ला किया, गुड, ठीक है। आई मीन यू फोर्स द गवर्नमेंट और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट और व्हाटएवर द क्रैप इट वाज टू
ठीक है।
फोर्स अ सीबीआई इंक्वायरी, ग्रेट। उसके बाद इट शुड एंड ओवर देयर, देन लेट देम हैंडल द केस एंड जो भी, लेट देम फिगर इट आउट। बट अभी
Yeah,
तो वो अपना खुद का ट्रायल कर रहे हैं, अलग 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 एंगल्स आ
I
रहे हैं। अब हु नोस कितना सच है, एंड आई एम श्योर कुछ सच होगा इसमें, फाउल प्ले होगा इन्वॉल्व, बट let them investigate. Why is media being a wo? But
I do
unfortunate reality hai.
यार
I
वी
do
आर
find it disgusting
हैविंग,
though when they show his body and all the media is like analyzing like the all the marks on his body and everything. It's like
बिकॉज
you shouldn't
अरुण,
be doing this, man.
we
Just
have turned, sorry, your name is Akash. Akash, we have turned disgusting, na? This is
Exactly.
what has happened. We are disgusting. They are not. I refuse to in 2020, when all of this madness has happened, to become a person who goes ki media is
no, yeah,
disgusting. No, they represent us. When we had that
Yeah.
Purana wala discussion about nepotism and everything, I will no longer at this they are at this age also, in this time also, I find it ridiculous to say कि वो लोग इतने
mm,
गंदे हैं, हम इतने अच्छे हैं। नहीं, वो हम एक
Yeah,
ही
it's
चीज़
both
है।
ways.
बस
It's not
ईदर वी
one-sided nahi hai ye game. It's
yeah,
both ways. I mean,
yeah,
people are talking about it on
they
Twitter every
they
there are
are
single
people
day.
they sell
watching it
this
actively, watching it and wanting to know more.
they they sell this to us and we
Yeah,
lap it up. Either you have to create a alternate reality to it, like, which is what I personally feel like doing. I cannot stop you from shouting about it, so I'm not going to support it. मैं दिल से विश करता हूँ उसको और उसकी फैमिली को। आई
Mm.
फील बैड फॉर हिज फादर, हु शुरुआत से मेरे दिमाग में उसके वो है, हिज फादर, हिज सिस्टर, हिज मदर हैज ऑलरेडी पास्ड अवे। I feel bad for his family. I pray for his family. I remember like closing my eyes then and just like wishing कि यार, I wish for you this next time period is somewhat better.
no, but I
This
think
is
it seems like
agonizing
कि even
what they're
family
doing
wants
to
an
them.
investigation to
तुम क्या?
happen. So fair enough कि अगर if even they want it, definitely go for it and वो
Oh
सब.
yeah,
But अभी it's more than family. Family जब तक involved थी, ठीक है, in a private matter they should be. But अब तो fans है involved as if कि भाई उनको सब पता है. They are verdict दे रहे हैं वो Twitter पे. Every single day, I think top 5 या 6 trending topics में इसका होता है. Every single day for past 2 months. Which is crazy. लोगों के
I mean,
पास अपनी problems नहीं है क्या?
leave fans, politicians have made a whole thing out of it now.
Because you it's a mileage ना यार, तुम्हें पता
यार,
है
yeah.
कोई टॉपिक है, तुम्हें पता है अभी बिहार के असेंबली इलेक्शन जा रहे
इलेक्शन है
हैं,
अभी
हिज
वहाँ पे,
फैमिली,
या
so very clearly it is something, whoever acts the
yeah. It's
nicest way about it will create वो.
capitalizing on the
And
moment.
you have to see, the thing is the virtual reality, जो social media हम बोलते जा रहे थे, virtual reality has become our people's actual mental reality. लोगों को लगता है कि जो चीज चिल्लाई जा रही है सबसे loudest volume में, that is the thing we have to worry about the most, which is one thing, like I said, I want to create an alternate reality where I do not want to be judged by, I do not want to think based on the mob that is so easily charged up. I was talking to someone 2 days ago about this topic, और वो जिस तरीके से बात कर रहा था, वो it was almost like कि some of these Bollywood people came into his house and did some harm to him. Like, but it's like that vitriol, that anger, and when you start asking कि भाई हो क्या रहा है, हो क्या रहा है, हो क्या रहा है, you realize उनके लाइफ का बाकी हर फ्रस्ट्रेशन उन्होंने एक चीज के ऊपर डाल दिया है। सारा जो लाइफ का इनजस्टिस है, जो कोरोना की वजह से कॉज हुआ है, जो सिचुएशंस की वजह से कॉज हुआ है, दे हैव पुट एवरीथिंग ऑन वन थिंग, एंड उससे हम एक मॉब मेंटालिटी में, आई डू नॉट नो व्हाट रिया चक्रवर्ती डिड। इफ द कॉप्स से शी इज गिल्टी, वेरी वेल, प्लीज कन्विक्ट हर, पनिशमेंट दो रिगरस उनको। अगर उन्होंने नहीं किया तो देन लेट देम बी।
Okay, just
अभी
think
हम
about
क्या
this.
कर रहे हैं एट दिस
If
पॉइंट? वी आर
she said
इंटरप्रेटिंग कि
drugs, she has a message saying that how much drugs should I put in it. It doesn't mean that she killed him. I mean, he was young, he was rich. For obvious reasons, he's going to like experiment, right? Every one of us have done that in college. Well, majority of us have done it in college, right? So
I
I mean,
think Kevin
it's
that forget even the experimentation stage. Maybe she must have, unless let us convict her by the rule of law, right? Not by the
yeah,
rule of TV,
correct.
not the rule of media. Like जो अर्नब ने वो बोला, like वो it's trial by media, which I feel is like they media has all these resources. like 5 रिपोर्टर उसके गेट के बाहर खड़े हैं, 5 की जगह 1 रिपोर्टर डाल दो उसके गेट के बाहर, बाकी 4 को सिटी स्टेट के इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन को वो करो करने के लिए डालो, क्या सबके पास इनफ वो पहुंच रहा है? शोज दो स्टोरीज आल्सो, नो? आई एम श्योर 5 तुम्हें 5 रिपोर्टर अगर एक ही एजेंसी के एक ही गेट के बाहर खड़े हैं, वो 4 5 में से एक को छोड़ के बाकी 4 तो और
नहीं
चीजें
वही
कर सकते हैं ना
सो आई
यार।
वाज वाचिंग
इज
बिकॉज
माय
पहले
ओनली
मुझे लग रहा
पॉइंट।
था कि तो मीडिया वो भी रिपोर्ट करता है बट जो उनका प्राइम शो होता है दिन का दैट्स अबाउट सुशांत सिंह राजपूत सो दिन में वो
Yep.
पूरे टाइम सब रिपोर्ट करेंगे और सारी चीजें शाम को जो भी आई थिंक हर टीवी चैनल का एक प्राइम वो है शो है शाम का या रात का आई थिंक
डिबेट
सो
शोज हो गए ना, वो डिबेट शो,
या
बिकॉज अरे ना तुम दिन में अनलेस अब नाउ एज पीपल घर से काम कर रहे हैं या बाहर से वो काम कर रहे हैं, पीपल कैच वन शो, वन न्यूज स्टोरी
एग्जैक्टली सो
कांस्टेंट
जो
24
लोगों को इट्स सेम सेम थिंग विच यू आर सेइंग राइट कि लोगों को वो चाहिए वो उस टाइप की गॉसिप या व्हाटएवर इट इज सो वो उस टाइम पे मेन अर्नब गोस्वामी आता है उसका सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का केस लेके उसके पास और भी एंकर्स हैं बट ही इज द वन हु इज लीडिंग दैट trial
ब्रिगेड।
per se yeah so which is crazy I mean you we are not saying don't report it sure it's a big thing ठीक है report करो but it's not the biggest thing in India right now there are much bigger problems which India is going through वो focus on those things
यार
at
अभी
least
आरबीआई के नेक्स्ट टू क्वार्टर्स का जो वो निकला है उनका एंटिसिपेशन कि हाउ दे एक्सपेक्ट इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी टू स्लो डाउन इवन मोर। अभी स्टेट्स को जीएसटी के पैसे के इशू चल रहे हैं। लाइक इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स अगर तुम पहले 2 या 3 ही देखो, उसमें ही तुम डिप्रेस हो जाओगे कि कितने एमएसएमईज को लोन मॉरेटोरियम नहीं मिल रहा है क्योंकि उनका फेब्रवरी का भी ड्यू था, जिनका मार्च से शुरू हो रहा है, उनके ऊपर कितने कोर्ट केस चल रहे हैं।
Yeah,
अभी वो प्रशांत भूषण का
hmm,
कंटेम्प्ट केस चल रहा है यहाँ पे, जिसमें उसकी ट्वीट की वजह से उस पे तुमने वो डाल दिया। सुप्रीम कोर्ट दूसरी चीजें नहीं सुन रही, कश्मीर का इशू चल रहा है,
right.
हमें बॉर्डर पे इशू चल रहा है। लाइक आई कैन
By
नेम
basic,
6 to 7 हेडलाइंस which ever
I've
side
talked
you
to
are on,
people like
लेफ्ट विंग,
by
राइट विंग,
Maharashtra में
लेफ्ट विंग।
अकेला, I've talked to people and in Kerala also. भाई सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बोलता है कि you will get free चना and rice, but they are not actually getting it. उनके पास पहुंच नहीं रहा वो चीजें, और
केविन,
अगर पहुंचता है तो भी भाई बहुत कम क्वांटिटी, whatever the promised quantity was is not getting to them.
वी हैड एन
So
अमेजिंग हार्वेस्ट राइट नाउ। अभी हमारे रबी वाला हार्वेस्ट सब काफी अच्छी तरीके से गया है। वी मेड गुड गेन्स, बट अभी भी वो इश्यू आया कि गोडाउन्स में ही पड़ा है सारा सामान, लोगों तक नहीं पहुंच
वो
रहा।
इशू तो
या
सालों से
रॉ
that issue has been always there
no, no, I mean
पीपल वर
it's
लाइक
not.
कि इन्होंने अब an amazing thing that happened was कि during this pandemic the railways was introduced in moving food. So there was actually good news coming in कि like in the name of disaster relief they were
hmm.
forced to transport, right? और कोई option नहीं
नहीं
था।
No,
whichever
but thing is
side
that
you're
But
on right
उसमें एक और गवर्नमेंट,
yeah,
yeah, whichever तुम left मानो right मानो, you have to agree that there is
Exactly.
far
So
more
hmm,
if your
crucial stuff
channel is
that's
pro
happening as
government or against जो भी है, you can report accordingly. But so for example, I'm pretty sure
exactly.
public is pro government, right? So if you don't have to be criticize नहीं करना
Yeah,
government को, fair enough. You can talk about solutions going forward. तुम debate पे इतने अच्छे लोगों को बुला सकते हो. You can talk about how to improve the economy. You can talk about n number of things. You can just do
मतलब
brainstorming वहाँ पे. But
डायरेक्टली टू गो गवर्नमेंट थिंग्स दैट यू कैन से इज, अभी इंडिया ने डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन का बोला है कि मेजोरिटी ऑफ इट हमारा इन हाउस होगा। इंडिया ने ये भी रिलीज किया है कि अब से गरीब फार्मर्स विल नॉट हैव टू लाइक रिलाई ऑन द एपीएमसी मंडी वाले लोग, वो डायरेक्टली प्राइवेटाइज भी कर सकते हैं। बेसिकली वो अपना दे उन्हें कोल्ड स्टोरेज में उनका एक्स्ट्रा सरप्लस नहीं डालना पड़ेगा, यू कैन सेल इट डायरेक्टली टू लाइक मान लो कोई बड़ा कॉर्पोरेशन आके बोलता है हमें आपका इतना गेहूं चाहिए, फार्मर कैन एक्चुअली मेक मोर प्रॉफिट्स।
yeah.
दीज आर ऑल गुड गवर्नमेंट बेस्ड
नहीं
थिंग्स,
इवन
उसको डिस्कस कर लो
या
यार।
मतलब ये
दिस इज
टॉपिक
गुड
क्यों
थिंग
डिस्कस सुशांत सिंह राजपूत ठीक है इट्स सैड विद
Hmm.
व्हाटएवर हैपेंड एंड दे शुड इन्वेस्टिगेट एंड पीरियड वहां पे चैप्टर शुड बी क्लोज लेट द एजेंसीज टेक ओवर एंड इट इज फनी है कि ईडी इन्वॉल्वड है एंड पता नहीं क्या, आई एम नॉट वेल अवेयर ऑन दिस थिंग, बट आई हैव हर्ड कि इतने छोटे अमाउंट के लिए ईडी इन्वॉल्वमेंट इज आल्सो वियर्ड. आई थिंक व्हाट 10-15 करोड़ का नंबर था.
हाँ,
Yeah.
अर्नब मैंने तुझसे कहा था ना, मैंने शुरुआत में कहा था, his family for whatever the emotional woe of part of it is, they are well aware that India's premier agencies are investigating this,
Yeah,
and they are very blatantly in the favor of in इस बंदे के favor में.
definitely.
Otherwise all of this would have been denied immediately. मुंबई पुलिस का केस खत्म होके बात हट जाती.
Okay,
And
now do you think कि अगर let's say पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है केस का रिजल्ट, बट इफ नो वन इज गिल्टी, इफ इट वाज एक्चुअली सुसाइड, तब क्या होगा?
it
दे
will never, Arnab, it will never be ना, alternate reality बन चुकी
वही,
है. Riya
नाउ दे हैव टू
Chakraborty will
कन्विक्ट
be a
समवन.
murderer. Riya Chakraborty is a
It,
murderer. People will think of her
it
as
will
a
never
murderer
be
either way.
accepted as a suicide. I don't think now.
Yeah,
It will never be accepted.
बोलेंगे पैसे,
उसका करियर
वही
खत्म है.
बोलेंगे करप्ट
वो उसका करियर,
है.
whether she is suspect or whether she is innocent, her career is going to go down the drain only because people are going to
कोर्ट
judge her that way only
कोर्ट ऑफ
that whole
पब्लिक
time,
ओपिनियन में शी इज
even if she
गिल्टी.
were innocent.
आई मीन आई
पब्लिक
थिंक इट
ओपिनियन
कैन
में
गो बोथ वेज. ईदर शी विल स्काई रॉकेट उसका करियर अगर वो गिल्टी नहीं है तो, बिकॉज नाउ
नहीं,
शी हैज अ, if they can prove it, by the way it's very hard to, because obviously media trial and everyone is on Sushant's side, and I think even I'm on his side, by the way. The-
obviously we are all
unless
on
you
his
prove,
Yeah, we are.
we're all
unless
on
you
his
prove,
side.
my only thing is you prove it and then वो ही ना, I think क्या, ओके मैं स्टेटमेंट भूल गया, वो भी कहीं सुना था मैंने,
What,
बट एनीवे. सो
innocence until proven guilty? What are you trying
Yeah,
to
नहीं
say?
नहीं, I was talking about some, but yeah, even that too. Exactly right. So until you have been proven, you cannot like treat her as a वो prisoner. Literally अभी तो उसके मैंने आई थिंक उसने कुछ चैनल्स को भी इंटरव्यू दिया, राइट, अभी कल या परसों.
आज तक
She
के साथ
gave, yeah, she gave a lot. NDTV, Aaj Tak, everyone
जिसमें
except Times Now and Republic, basically.
तो seems like even she's going that route अब कि okay, let me also go out in media and talk about it.
बिकॉज
So
उसके पीपल उसकी जान के पीछे पड़े हैं यार.
Hmm.
yeah, so but again वही ना कि अब दोनों पार्टीज ही अब it's completely a media war है अब ये तो, which is sad. I mean,
And
क्योंकि
freaking Goswami is a news whore, man.
No, he is the sign of what we have become. Like उसको पता है वो चीज बिक रही है, उसे
yeah,
पता है वो. तो बात ये होगी ना कि
And
तुम्हारा प्रॉफिट के लिए तुम क्यों नहीं करोगे. Like we can talk about morals all we want. As the thing is, what he is bringing to the table, many people are eating.
I
yeah, I'm
mean,
sure
yeah,
in
it
terms
would,
of TRP मैंने recently की पढ़ा कि उनका
Number
channel is
one,
doing really well. Yeah,
yep,
so
yep.
because it's
end
the
of the
most
day it's a
entertaining show
business.
on TV. Yeah, it's a business. He's selling that. Why would none all of his
His
sponsors plus वो US में बिल ओराइली था फॉक्स पे years के लिए.
Yep.
Why?
his
उसका
net
रीजन क्या था?
his net
But I
worth,
think
Arnav
because
Goswami's net worth has increased substantially in the last 3 years. I'm just looking at it. It's currently
He's
at 383 crores.
he's
That's
catering to what the
insane.
public wants, though, na? That's why, Kevin. So,
No,
लोग
he's
सुनते हैं
catering to what
unfortunately.
he's catering to what a large section of the public wants.
yeah.
Yes. Or at least he's what more than that, he's catering. He is, even if you dislike him, you have no option but to go and watch him. For many people, like I took the conscious decision quite a few years ago कि मैं all ये panel shows, because I am not, मुझे I do not think कि ये जो दूसरे जो दूसरी तरफ है ये लोग एनडीटीवी वगैरह भी हैं,
No,
ये
no,
कुछ कम है.
definitely.
सबका अपना अपना
No
Yeah,
way.
point है.
everyone has
Absolutely
their
not.
own
Right, as a
style. Arnab Goswami is out there, like because he shouts and he does so many things,
yeah,
so he's out there.
that
Like
that
But
that
everyone has their own
that's a
style.
way of saying, yeah. But that's the
every
thing for
news.
me.
I
अगर तुम्हें न्यूज़ जाननी है ना भाई, तो आज अनबिलीवेबल आई एम सेइंग दिस, बट द बेस्ट न्यूज़ चैनल जिसमें ज़्यादा लोग लड़ाई नहीं करते इज़ राज्यसभा टीवी. वो स्टेट ओन्ड है. कैन यू इमेजिन? द
I
स्टेट ओन्ड चैनल है,
personally
लोग चले
sorry.
जाते हैं.
I personally
दैट्स इट.
think Ravish Kumar is a much more decent uh,
हाँ,
journalist than
I
others are.
if you think of a journalist who will essentially using satire occasionally still explain the thing, is Ravish Kumar
Yeah.
would be right on top of the list, because वो बात उसमें बोले. But again, his उसको you need to have a good you need to be fluent in understanding Hindi for that. हम usually I guess English speaking वही करते हैं क्योंकि that applies to
Hmm.
everyone. But रवीश कुमार अदरवाइज यार डेफिनेटली रवीश कुमार की बातें जो बिकॉज़ रवीश कुमार का बेस्ट कॉमेडी ये है कि ही मेड इक्वल फन ऑफ द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट
Yeah,
एंड द
he
बीजेपी।
comes across as
तो
much
तुम किसी की
fair.
तरफ
Like he's not completely
Yeah,
partial.
fair, because they released videos of him making fun of the Congress saying कि तुम में से किसी के बस तुम मेरे सामने बैठो मेरे सामने एक लाइव इंटरव्यू में देखते हैं क्या होता है। Like and the same thing he said
Yeah,
about the बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट like कि मैं तो कुछ मुझे कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। आप लाइव इंटरव्यू करिए जिसमें हम वो नहीं है। आपको जो कहना है आपका ही है, मैं जो कहूँगा लाइक दैट इज़ द थिंग ना।
वही कि ये
तो
because it's
या
business and they know कि क्या बिक रहा है, they are just selling it and people are definitely consuming it. So वो तो
यार आप
What I recommend is please watch news only for the first 5 to 10 minutes max and then switch it off.
नो
All you need
इन्वेस्टिगेट
to know is the headlines.
if a news line is making you charged up or angry, actually investigate it from different sources. Otherwise,
True.
I would suggest not overreacting to things. Investigate something and not just from the source who told you the news, from different sources. Think. I think, forget everything else. Just think about what is being said for 5 minutes, and you will probably have a different reaction to the visceral anger that people react to these
I think
things
on a
with.
similar
The
point कि
सोच लो
yeah, first of all think खुद से and secondly understand कि it's a business. Then you
Yep.
can differentiate between कि ये जो report करते हैं all the media channels उसमें कितना they can always be a bias towards it and then you can okay then तुम्हारे जो भी opinions है go with it but just understand कि it's a business so take it with a pinch of salt ये it's not completely
I
true जो report कर रहे हैं वो so
I still remember when I stopped Barka Dutt's watching any Barka Dutt's what do you call
2611 के बाद बरखा दा 2611 राइट?
yeah 2611. It pissed me off absolutely. When they used to hear a bullet, she used to say things like, "Oh, could that have been our soldier?" I'm like, woman, you need to make sure that you realize that there are
See,
soldiers, ka
Kevin,
families watching that.
I personally avoid anything where the journalist becomes more than the story. लाइक मुझे एनीवेज वो पसंद नहीं आता कि लाइक वो जब जब दे आर आई एम नॉट गोइंग देयर दैट्स व्हाई इवन रवीश कुमार के साथ आई गो ऑन अ वेरी टॉपिकल बेसिस आल्सो बिकॉज़ ही इज गोइंग अबाउट द स्टोरी। मैं
True.
क्योंकि व्हेन यू वर्शिप समबडी ना देन प्रॉब्लम क्या हो जाता है कि देन यू वोंट सी एनीथिंग, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी हट जाती है।
Exactly. True.
You lose wo. Some of these journalists have become prime-time TV hosts and opinion makers and gatekeepers of all thought. Okay, they have to see everything in one way only. They will not see it in any other way.
yeah उनका
But
काम है reporting
Absolutely.
but
हाँ,
unfortunately वहाँ पे वो
yes,
verdict दे रहे होते हैं बैठ के
we
so
have made them वो like and it's as everything else. We're copying it from the O'Reilly factor, जो US में का वो number one show था. It was essentially
It's
that.
every news channel.
I know,
It is.
I know what. But it started off very
Yeah.
differently. आकाश, मैं बचपन से मेरे घर में 9 सुबह हर दिन शाम को 9 बजे न्यूज़ देखी जाती थी। न्यूज़ वाज़ वेरी डिफरेंट व्हेन आई वाज़ ग्रोइंग अप टू व्हाट लास्ट 10 इयर्स में जो बना है। एंड द फर्स्ट टाइम आई सॉ न्यूज़ चैनल्स लाइक दिस आई रिमेंबर वेरी स्पेसिफिकली जब मैंने पहली बार आई सॉ एन एपिसोड ऑफ ओराइली फैक्टर व्हिच वाज़ बिल ओराइली एंड आई वाज़ लाइक ऐसे बात करते हैं न्यूज़ पे, हमारे में तो तब भी कॉमेडी चलता है यार, कोई इतना नहीं। And now the
yeah I
10
think
years
since
later, I'm just staring and
28 या
wondering कि
2010
wow,
से इंडिया में
हम तो
मीडिया और
इन
जर्नलिज्म
सब
चेंज हो गया है completely yeah
completely. It began with
Mm,
very clearly like the
every
Times
channel
Now
has its
reporting था।
own
उसके
agenda. Every news channel has its own agenda and everything.
yeah, but see, but that's the thing, Akash, there
Yep.
was always a
Yep.
subtlety about it. We we
But
were
that's
not such visceral hatred नहीं होता। But anyways, let's talk about funnier things. 33 minutes लगा लिए हमने इस पे।
yeah. So
Timestamp,
we shall
timestamp.
move on
But yeah,
to Kevin's great topic. Kevin has a very good topic, Arnav, of double meaning Indian songs.
Okay, 10 controversial Bollywood songs.
so उस पे क्या डिस्कस करने वाले हैं अपन
No,
We
I
just
wanted
want.
to see like how many of you have known it or realized it back when you heard the song, or like
oh
have you
wow
guys? Yeah.
okay so I think मैंने वो लिंक मिल गया है so should I go through ये सारे गाने
Yeah, start going through. We'll don't read it out until probably Amrit gets back because we'll read it out for these guys.
Yeah. By the way,
So
Arnav, you and Amrit are going to be the ones who read the lyrics because obviously you have a better command on the language.
yes,
So.
yes, definitely,
क्या
definitely.
बकवास है
Obviously, अबे अमृत आकाश और मैं पढ़ते ना हम
Yeah,
लोग
we were like, what?
ओ
Only the
हिंदी
songs I
पढ़ने की
know.
बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ गाना
Uh,
पढ़ने
well,
की
it's
बात
not
Oh,
कर
in
रहे
okay, okay.
written in Hindi, but it's English only.
तो
But
अमृत को I will hand it over to अमृत. उसकी
क्या हो
आवाज
गया?
भी इतनी मधुर है ना, तो अमृत गाएगा
yeah,
गाने.
Amrit has a very nice, beautiful voice.
Yeah.
मैं मजाक उड़ा रहा तो तुम ही से उड़ाओ यार। अच्छा
Oh, he's here. Okay.
केविन
Amrit,
कह रहा
Kevin
था
sent.
टॉप 10 कंट्रोवर्शियल बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स।
Yeah.
ओके, क्या
So
करना है भाई?
you will read the lyrics. Obviously, not the first one. The first one, everyone knows the controversial song, but we can just say it.
Delhi
It's
Belly.
the
Oh yeah,
Delhi
okay,
Belly
let's
Bhag
start. Yeah.
Bhag DK
बोस
Bose,
वाला। ओके,
which has no
Kale,
rude word in it. It's a
अच्छा
very
उसके
pleasant.
like, did you do the intro to the topic, like the
Yeah,
transition?
yeah, I did the intro. Don't worry. It'll be
ये
edited
ट्रांजिशन हो
in a way
गया,
that
टेंशन हो गया ट्रांजिशन।
the transition begins now. So,
Yeah.
Amrit, can you do the honors of reading the Kevin's found these double meaning lyrics?
अच्छा, तो कौन सा डीके बोस नहीं करना है क्योंकि उसमें तुम्हें तो मैं
Everyone
Yeah.
knows. Everyone knows
Yeah,
the
अच्छा
Delhi
lyrics.
Belly
Next one.
song everybody knows.
अच्छा, बिट्टू सभी लेगा, ये क्या है ये? बिट्टू बहुत
बिट्टू
सभी
So,
बॉस
मूवी
बोल
है।
के
अच्छा
मूवी।
ये
अच्छा,
मैंने भी कभी नहीं सुना.
Bittu Boss I
अबे
watched.
अबे ये तो वो वाला बंदा है ना? अबे
Yeah,
ये
no,
Yeah,
सलमान खान का कोई
Dost ya kuch. Yeah.
ये, अच्छा
nephew, right?
Mm,
नहीं,
nahi,
पंकज मिस कर
yeah, Sallu Bhai has never said anything about a nephew like this.
Only,
आकाश
But
abhi,
let's get
Pulkit Samrat, he was there in that movie,
फुकरे में था ये।
Fukre.
he was in
Fukre,
Jai
yeah.
Ho as well, man. That rubbish movie. It's
देखो भाई, this is
so
why we
time
stopped
waste
being
movie, man.
we stopped
Anyway,
being a movie podcast, तो या
yeah.
चाची
So
सीधी
Amrit, yes.
अच्छा अच्छा मैं बता, चाची सीधी बिठा के मामी उल्टी घुमा के, वाह, उतारेगा सबकी सबकी खींचेगा, ओए होए, और एक बार शुरू होगा तो सुबह ही रुकेगा,
भाई
बिट्टू
क्या है ये?
सबकी लेगा 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 रे, बिट्टू सबकी लेगा लेगा रे, बिट्टू सबकी लेगा, हाँ बॉस लेगा, वाह, क्या लिरिक्स है। केविन तूने लिखा था ये?
सही में केविन ये तेरे टाइप का ही लग रहा है कोई.
The funny
सही
thing
में?
is, I've watched this movie. I don't remember this song at all. But I'm like, I don't remember this being in the movie at all.
हाँ, अबे यार इसके बाद वाला जो है आजा नचले वाला, ये क्या है ये? मोहल्ले में कैसी मारा मार है, बोले मोची भी खुद को सोनार है, आहा, सबको नचा के नच ले, आजा
बट
नच ले
इसमें
This
मेरे यार नच ले।
इसमें
इसमें गंदा क्या
हाँ इसमें गंदा क्या है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है
this was
एक्चुअली.
very
Yeah, इसमें
controversial.
सारे गंदे नहीं है,
This one was
सारे
very
गंदे नहीं।
controversial
है?
because
ओह,
they had to
नेक्स्ट
change the
वन
lyrics.
the next one is controversial.
Yeah, the next one, but the Arjun actually they had to change the lyrics because cobblers got really angry about this song apparently in India, which I have no
Who
idea.
was dancing on it? Oh, Madhuri is here.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah, it's that
तो
movie about
कमबैक
that.
कमबैक अगला वाला अर्नव से पढ़ने को बोल।
Arnav,
कोई
read
चांस
the
ही नहीं है. अमृत तू ही पढ़ भाई. कंटिन्यू.
अमृत मान ले।
I don't want to read the वो वाला, I'll read छैया छैया।
हाँ अच्छा ये वो स्किप कर दे अमृत वो वाला.
No, you have to read that one, Amrit, man. It's the
Yeah,
best
come
one
on,
probably
guys.
on this list.
अबे अंग्रेज तू पढ़ना, मैं क्यों पढ़ूं?
Arnav,
डीप छैया छैया में क्या है?
hi, hi.
जिनके सर को इश्क
Come on, don't skip it. Okay, I'll do it. I'll read it. It
जन
says,
शाम रात मेरी कैनत, वो यार मेरा सैया छैया, इसमें क्या
No,
है
yeah,
भाई? इसमें
what's
क्या
wrong with
गलत है?
this one? I didn't read this one. Not for anything obscene, but the song featuring Shah Rukh Khan gathered quite some flack for hurting the religious sentiments.
ओ,
How
किस
could Jannat be below feet? Paon. What rubbish, man.
अबे
yeah,
Anyway. Okay,
Contact-
Kevin, read the one Amrit missed out. Let's skip Chiya Chiya completely because it's stupid.
it says, मुंह में ले, मुझे तेरे साथ चलना नहीं, के
कह के गई जो
What
मुझे
the
करना नहीं, तू जो बोले गलत मैं बोलूं सही, साली मत कर तू मेरे दिमाग की दही.
what?
अमृत, I think इनको हिंदी पढ़वाना is more funny ये actually lyrics से भी.
Guys, honestly, that will be more funny for the audience if you guys read it out.
While a few of the double meaning songs that became
Ravi
popular
Krishnan.
are still labeled as
You
smart,
guys,
but this
you
one
guys
was.
triple meaning with the way you
Oh,
say
it's
it.
a Ravi Kishan movie.
Bhojpuri movie है
Yeah,
basically.
I just googled it.
Expected.
It is a,
Expected Bhojpuri
what? Why is it expected?
नहीं बे, ऐसे मत.
movie. I'm kidding. Don't.
Yeah, outsiders coming and
हाले
speaking
बोल
about
नहीं
our
रहे.
regional languages.
Oh, this guy I know this guy's movies. He used to act more like a
अभी मंत्री भी हैं ये शायद.
negative.
नहीं
Who?
वहाँ
हाँ, member of parliament, Lok Sabha.
या
Who? Shah Rukh Khan?
नहीं Ravi Kishan.
बोलना
Oh.
बोलना रुक्मिणी का रीड कर.
आकाश, your turn.
No, I read the last one.
तुम दोनों ने मिलके पढ़ा है वो बड़ी मुश्किल से वो भी.
No.
Do it half. That's better. First two
Yeah.
lines.
Kevin, you
Akash,
read one line, I read one line. रुक्मिणी शादी के बाद क्या क्या हुआ? Very good.
कौन हारा कौन जीता खिड़की में से देखो यारा
अबे
जरा it's spelled jara but zara बाहों में
Hey, that has to be a Z, man.
Oh, like you didn't understand how to say it. चपेड़ बाबू.
बाहों में है बाहें डाले मीठी बातें होने लगी. What rubbish.
खटिया भी धीरे धीरे खटखट होने लगे. क्या बकवास. आगे पीछे हुआ तो झटपट होने लगे. I think this
What
is a
rubbish.
double meaning.
Now
पहले जल्दी होने लगे. You know what it means, right?
yes.
This is so stupid.
This is a A.R. Rahman song. Oh yeah, Roja.
Yeah, it is a A.R. Rahman song.
Doesn't
It
write
is
the lyrics.
Roja.
अच्छा केविन तू ये टॉपिक कहाँ से लेके आया ये बता दो पहले मुझे.
he just called me in before we started this and just said I found this. I'm like, go for it, man, dude.
But do you even know the meaning? Do you even know the meaning of ये lyrics? मुझे समझ में नहीं आया ये रोजा वाला.
It's
Roza
good.
क्या है? Is it
I mean,
Roza?
okay, it's in the double meaning. What do you think it means if you read through it? It's
No,
talking
honestly,
about
I tried
their first night. It's talking
So
about the
honeymoon.
couple's first night. Yeah.
The furniture ढक क्योंकि उस टाइम पे चारपाई पे करते थे ना इसलिए.
Interesting.
And it happened very fast, Arnav, as well.
Yes.
झटपट
Good to know, Akash.
होने लगे.
Okay, Arnav, read the Mitran one, whatever it is.
I think वो मैं भी नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा. पहली लाइन है अरे चढ़ गया ऊपर रे.
हाँ.
अतरिया.
तरिया पे लोटन कबूतर रे.
गुटुर. I think that's the sound, I guess. पंछी दीवाना चुक कर दाना उड़ गया पर रे.
फर.
Yeah, again the Attariya. I have no idea what that means.
Yeah, I don't know what that means actually.
Okay, मुझे meaning ही समझ में नहीं आया.
They're gyrating in the most vulgar way, apparently, in the song. It says in the description.
मुझे लग रहा है I don't think song is इतना detail था. लोगों ने इसको बना दिया I feel.
No, the first one, that Bittu one, is pretty like.
Oh, look at the description below. Like it made someone so angry. They said the extremely unfunny song by Ayla Arun and Purnima was stuffed with double meaning and cheap lyrics.
You sounded like Rajiv Masud when you read that.
Yeah.
No, but like, look at it says, "Arey chad ja upar re." I mean,
the unfunny song, okay, by Ayla Arun and Purnima was stuffed with double meaning and cheap lyrics. तुम्हारा article कैसा होता है?
Arnav, doesn't he sound like Rajiv Masud like properly when he was?
I think he intentionally did it, but yeah.
He sounded completely like Rajiv Masud.
इसमें मुझे सिर्फ वल्गर तो एक ही लगा वो दिल्ली not even Delhi Belly. I feel the Bittu सबकी लेगा वाला.
Bittu one, the way it started off. Obviously, the one Mumile one is very obvious, but the Bittu one was like.
Yeah.
अगला वाला
they should censor ये सारी चीजें. क्या चाची सीधी बिठा के मामी उल्टी घुमा के क्या बकवास है यार ये।
My
Kevin
take,
was so happy when he showed me
That's
this.
straight shit, man.
केविन हमारे पहले सीरियस टॉपिक के बाद दिस वाज गुड। वो आगे चले
परफेक्ट
आगे
मैन।
और क्या क्या है?
ओए अगला वाला स्किप कर। अमृत ये लास्ट वाला अंदाज वाला पढ़ना।
कौन सा वाला? ये
कौन सा वाला?
बटन वाला?
The
अनिल कपूर वाला।
ये क्या ये अंदाज अंदाज वाला कह रहा है तू? ये खड़ा है वाला? खड़ा है खड़ा है, डर पे तेरे आशिक खड़ा है, खोल 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 दरवाजा खोल, बोल 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 प्यार के दो बोल, खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है। क्या
Amrit
है
sounds like he's reading out some शायरी or something. ना?
सही में अमृत ने काफी एंजॉय किया, बट गुड जॉब
ये
अमृत।
ना
तो अमृत तेरा खड़ा हो गया है?
ये
ये लिरिक्स सुन के ना
Yep.
अनिल को
looking at
कर।
The way Anil Kapoor's face is in this picture, na, it
he
just like looks.
definitely he definitely was having a good time.
या आई थिंक दिस सॉन्ग इज डेफिनेटली इंटेंशनली खराब किया है इन्होंने। ये क्या
then
But
look at Juhi Chawla's look. खड़ा है असली में। She's having that means.
आई थिंक जितना केविन ने एंजॉय किया ना ये
Kevin loved this topic.
या
But the best I think still double meaning song was that Gangs of Wasseypur song, that I Am a Hunter. That was
या इवन
do you
आई एम
guys
शॉक कि वो इस पे नहीं
But
है, वो मुझे याद है।
I,
vibe of that movie itself may fit
but
perfectly.
I'm
This is like out of nowhere.
yeah,
You've never seen it yet?
the I Am a Hunter thing was very like, I was surprised they allowed it as well.
अमृत आकाश नहीं देखी मूवीज दोनों।
Oh, useless.
वो अगला वाला बकवास है by the way. skip खत्म है इसका list.
नहीं नहीं, I think we covered the length and breadth of it quite well, Kevin.
या
I hope you are happy. Orlando,
But सही में what I wonder what the writers are thinking. Do they
that
actually make the song first and then fit it into a
no,
movie like
no,
a
it
lot of
makes
people usually do? Yeah, Amrit?
नहीं नहीं, then it works. Like I think the point of the entire thing is कि लोगों को वो हंसाने के लिए टाइप वो that way it works perfectly.
और मे बी
Like
टू क्रिएट कंट्रोवर्सी अटेंशन
I
के लिए।
I don't think they like back like especially जो अनिल कपूर वाले जो movies थे I don't think news उतना फैलते थे.
No, I don't
If
think
you
so.
see very weirdly, a lot of these lyrics are from movies that are at least 5 to 10 years old.
गुड
At
पॉइंट।
majority of, or at least they go deep into the 80s,
See,
90s
the
also.
Delhi
या
Belly one was definitely.
It's like guilty pleasure of sorts. Neither that was very separate. Like
Yeah.
that part of the marketing for Delhi Belly was that it's a youth unapologetic approach. And
Yep, yep.
I remember a guy called DK Bose actually case डाला था उसने। मेरे नाम मेरे नाम पे गाली निकाल रहे हैं गंदे बच्चे, मारो बच्चों को।
या मेजॉरिटी इस
बट
लिस्ट की एज अमृत सेट की काफी पुरानी मूवी है, सो आई डोंट थिंक इट वाज इंटेंशनली टू गेट
या
वो कंट्रोवर्सी के लिए तो नहीं हो सकता।
नहीं
या
नहीं, इट वाज इट्स लाइक अ स्लाइट ह्यूमर ना, लाइक हमारे उसमें
हम्म
But still, man, when you read these lyrics, I feel like, oh my god, how did I not hear this in the song or something?
there are many old songs, many things that यार हम भी
आकाश, कैन यू
अभी
अटैच ये लिंक उसमें
वल्गैरिटी
पॉडकास्ट के डिस्क्रिप्शन में,
Yeah,
सो मे
I'll
बी
put it in the description so everyone
जो
can
भी
see
अपने
it.
गिने चुने यूजर्स हैं, इफ दे वांट टू टेक अ लुक एट इट।
So, Amrit, if you want to look at it later, you can click on the link in the description on the podcast. But on that note, let's move on to the next topic. Amrit.
स्टैंप लगाने को आई हैव नेवर रन सो फास्ट बट या हाँ बोलो जी बोलो।
No, so yours, that topic is next.
यार देख मेरा टॉपिक पे यार हम काफी ऑलरेडी हम एक स्पोर्ट्स पे एक पूरा शो कर चुके हैं अभी 55 मिनट हम काफी चीजों पे बात भी कर चुके हैं, लोगों को सुलाना भी नहीं है। बट मेरा था यार अभी मामबा डे निकला था अभी, और हम हमारे बीच में ही एंड दिस विल इट विल वेरी हार्ड टू बिलीव फॉर एनीवन लिसनिंग टू दिस बिकॉज हमारे बीच में ग्रुप के अंदर ही हम ऐसे बात करने लगे थे चैट पे कि ऑब्सेशन विद पैशन से क्या होता है मतलब, एंड बिकॉज जब हम कोबी की बात आती है इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट लाइक यार वो बंदा का सिंगल माइंडेड जो फोकस था Like, first of all, rest in peace to him, his daughter, and everyone else who was involved in that unfortunate crash, their families. But we were talking about obsession with passion, like for passion के ऊपर, and it started a discussion amongst us. So the question essentially, और जिस पे तुम अपना opinion दे सकते हो कि like how possible it is for people to be obsessed with their passion in this day and age, and how hard do you think it is to live a lifestyle where तुम single mindedly किसी एक चीज पे focus करो? Or you can just give me your favorite Kobe moments, you know. Either way, we have had a very deepish conversations today already. मजाक में करा तो मजाक भी कर सकते हैं, तुम्हारे ऊपर है.
आई थिंक एक्चुअली जब तूने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, आई स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि ऐसे और कौन, इधर एथलीट्स और इवन एनीवन जो बहुत ही who stands out in terms of passion. And I think they're very handful, but obviously sports में it's bias कि since we follow quite a lot, and secondly sports में it's visible because of the physical hard work. But इसलिए it comes across as अरे यार बंदा रात भर जिम में, for example, या जो भी है, right? So that's why it's easy to figure that part out. But I think I'm pretty sure there are a bunch of industries जहाँ पे I'm trying to think कि कहाँ पे ऐसे और लोग हैं whom at least we are inspired by, चाहे वो कोई.
Their obsession, yeah, I think popular would be Steve Jobs भी ना. Like उसे एक
Oh
perfect
yeah,
product
Steve Jobs, yeah.
मुझे एक परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट बनाना है और इट हैज टू लुक दिस वे, इट हैज टू अपीयर दिस वे. आई एम नॉट
Yeah.
सेइंग बैक एंड
Actually,
जॉन किसने क्या.
good answer. Yeah,
I'm
Steve
talking
Jobs would be one.
and just an obsession with I have to make something perfect. In popular pop culture, I'm sure there are a lot more tech के detailed वो जो तुम्हें पता होंगे. Like as somebody from the outside, I would say to me like the way he was obsessed with his idea of how an Apple
Hmm.
product should feel
How it
and
should look.
how look how it should look and all of that. I find that to be like very good. Do you guys have any other
I mean,
examples? Like this is
you
an
can look
open
at
thing, like
current
people
also.
who are
Like you can
obsessed.
look at like Elon Musk and US when the whole US government is against him. Like for years together. Now people are accepting, okay,
Can you
clean
explain?
environment,
Can you
etc.
explain his thing? Yeah, like
No,
I know him
what?
as the genius entrepreneur. Like, but what was it that makes him stick apart?
No,
Like,
for
क्या
me,
था?
obviously the whole promotion of electrical vehicles since he has been working in 2010. 2010 is when he started making his first electrical vehicle in a small garage. So, उस times पे even Ford, he was competing companies like Ford and GM who used to block his suppliers and etc. They used to make their life hard enough, and that's something I think really admirable that, and including the government not supporting EV vehicles at all. And initially, the Democratic government gave the buyers a tax gave the buyers tax breaks and incentives on highways, but like a lot of the Republican states later on withdrew those incentives, and
No,
still he
but I think that's a
marched
very
on, right?
interesting point which you brought, Kevin, कि because वो बंदा Elon Musk है, right? If you look at his journey, he has such a, because from what I see as a passion, एक single-minded focus towards a certain thing, right?
Yeah,
But Elon Musk की चीज में he has been passionate about so many things. So मुझे
that's
समझ में
true.
नहीं आता उसका, I think it is उसका passion is just solving hard problems. Maybe that's one of his passions. I don't know, because I don't think उसका
Yeah.
passion is only electric.
Can you
Because if you
say?
think,
Yeah, I think he likes going
Uh,
against the odds. If you look at the
can you guys
SpaceX program
yeah.
as well,
can you guys educate us on his
That's
other passions?
like
So oh, by the way,
SpaceX
so he's a,
program, for example. Yeah, sorry.
before he went Tesla, he founded PayPal. So जब
Yeah,
PayPal को buy किया था, PayPal obviously went for some millions of dollars. So उससे जो पैसे आए, then he started, I think not started, but like then he ventured into all these bold ideas of electric vehicles or SpaceX और ये सारी
SpaceX.
चीजें. So these programs have been going on since before 2010, I think. It's not 2010,
Yeah,
उससे बहुत.
2008, I think SpaceX was there, right?
Yeah, I think maybe before that, but yeah, so उसने पहले वो एक प्रोडक्ट, फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट था जो उसने बेच के, फाइनेंशियल सॉफ्टवेयर उसको बेच के ही अर्न millions of dollars, and then he put everything back into all these bold ventures, whether it's SpaceX, Tesla. Now he's going into neural links. So इसका बहुत ही diverse problems पे वो tackle करता है. So I think his, maybe as Kevin said, his passion might be going against the odds. That might be a good way to look at it. Because if you think about Neuralink या SpaceX या electric vehicles या PayPal या वो boring company, so it's very weird. In a way, there's certain common factors सब में, but in terms of like technical strength या ऐसा कुछ, everything requires a very different knowledge set. So I think वो
No, for
काफी
it.
fascinating है उसके लिए.
Yeah. Like because NASA is very government oriented, right? It is, but
Yeah.
SpaceX is a privately owned company. So one of the major things he was like Elon himself had said in his recent documentary, which came out for SpaceX, he said that NASA refused to take him seriously. They were like, this internet guy is gonna change
Yeah,
the
the
world.
astronauts were against him. Neil
Yeah,
Armstrong
even
even
astronauts.
disagreed with him. Everyone. I remember there was an interview where he was actually crying because, like he said, his heroes, people he thought of as heroes, are like going against him. But he said, "I'm not going to give up on SpaceX and everything." I mean, privatizing space exploration is, my God, that's unheard of until when he did it.
It's huge. It's absolutely
I mean,
huge.
even now,
And like,
what he's trying to do is extremely hard. Like,
Yeah,
no wonder people were against him, because it's not an easy thing to pull off, right? But he managed after so many years. SpaceX के starting के बहुत सारी flights fail हुई थी. So,
Yep.
but yeah, that's the industry which he is operating in, is extremely hard one. And obviously, NASA and all these things are operated based on government funding. So,
and his
Yeah,
whole
yes.
focus on unmanned missions is something that I would personally really like, actually. You know, like I admire that he's wants to go, like, because you are still restricted to send astronauts, not just by the, well, there's a money angle always. You cannot just send expensive equipment for a suicide. But at the same time, the astronauts' lives is more valuable than the $1 million equipments that is on that flight. So now having an unmanned missions removes one factor completely out. It leaves you to exploring a lot more. That I really admire about it.
at
Guys,
the same
why do
time,
you
he wants
think
to
why
colonize Mars. So, पता नहीं.
guys,
Hmm.
why do you think it's hard for people to follow their passions?
Hmm.
I think it's
Guidance. I
because
think
most
guidance is the
people
main thing.
don't even know what their passion is. Finding their passion is people find it either. Sometimes people go with their whole lives without finding it.
So Amrit,
A
तेरा
lot of
question is
times.
it कि वो अपने passion को professional career में pursue नहीं करते? Is that your question? या
Either way, करियर में या लाइफ में या कुछ में, किसी भी वे में परस्यू नहीं कर पाते हैं
मुझे
एज अ
मेरे
हॉबी
according,
आल्सो.
for me, I feel
I
guidance is a big problem. Like I know a few things that I'm passionate about, but I have no idea about how to begin to it. Like, you know, that's, I think for me, I personally think that if someone is there to like kind of, or if you're able to connect to someone who can guide you, that will be the best thing.
you think a mentor is needed regardless.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, आकाश तुझे क्या लगा, तुझे लगता है पीपल को मिलता ही नहीं है, like
Yeah,
लोग.
it's very hard. It's easy to say that when, like, if you've already found your passion, it's very easy to say it's attainable. But a lot of people, I feel, find it really hard to find out what they're passionate about. And it's like, even I think Kobe Bryant said in an interview as well with Ahmad Rashad that that's where I'm taking it from. Like, he said that a lot of people go their whole lives without finding what they're passionate about. He's like, I'm fortunate that found out at a very young age that I was passionate about basketball, and I poured my heart and body into that, my sweat and tears and blood. It was like,
mine is a more fundamental question. When you define passion, passion is something which you already know, or can passion be something which you try and then it becomes your passion?
I think that's a
I think it can
very
be both.
person to person thing. Yeah, I
Yeah,
think it
for
can
me,
be
I
both.
think it can be both.
You can
Yeah, even
discover
for
it
me, it can be both.
randomly
Like you
with
can
passion
discover
you
it.
already know.
But I think for those things to happen, so I think जो अभी आकाश ने point बोला, which is definitely true. Lots of people don't know कि उनको, I mean, what they want या उनका passion क्या है. But I think that can only happen once you try a bunch of different things, right?
Yeah,
Because
I was going to say the
Yeah,
only thing with both Kevin and Akash's point where I would somewhat, I don't say I would somewhat like disagree with, but I would have a difference of opinion is You absolutely need guidance. You absolutely need to know वो, but किसी भी चीज को होने के लिए you have to take some leap of faith, first step. कहीं तो लेना ही पड़ेगा तुम्हें.
Yeah, because
Like you have to take some decision which aligns
I
you
don't think
towards
anyone is
something.
born with some
Like
passion. I
No.
think it's a
some people
developed
might
skill.
be. Some people might be. कि they see something immediately and that might click for them. But
Yeah,
I
but that
think if you want to live a certain life, एक first step, even if it's a wrong step, is a step. I
I
feel
think what you just said,
personally.
right? Ki fear of failure, I think plays a big factor. Like I think
yeah.
lots of people know ki what they
Yeah.
want to try it out, but ki, अरे यार, will
हारना
it
नहीं
work?
है.
I think, I
हारना
mean,
नहीं
this is my
है.
personal
Like
wo.
yeah, no,
And
I agree 1000%. Like in the discussion we were speaking of, like which led to me asking this question as a podcast. I was like, this is something interesting for people who are even our age, younger than us, and older than us.
Hmm.
के लिए भी apply होगा ये. Because when we were talking about it, and I remember Arnav कि तूने you and Akash were talking about कि passion किसका कैसा है वो है, and the first thing that came to my mind was literally just
yeah,
failure. Like the thing that stops everyone from doing anything is some silly stuff like failure, and it may be silly to us, but it might be like a life defining fear to someone else. कि I just can't do this. I can't do this. मैं ये decision नहीं ले सकता. Like I had a very unfortunate conversation which I had to sit through, where a person was
hmm,
describing why they were getting married. Friend of like my wife, one of my wife's friends, जिसके साथ मैं बैठा था, and she was describing कि उनके बस
Hmm.
उनको अपने पेरेंट्स से बोलने से डर लगता है कि नहीं, like no, and it's just like too brutal and a discussion and an argument, and I was like, end of the day तुम्हें
yeah.
पूरी जिंदगी
And
रहना
I think lots of people
है.
don't even get the
It's
opportunity.
your whole, it's your, but it's like, yeah, and but and it, I was like, the thing is they're like, that first step
Hmm.
itself is crippling. Like वो first step, like हम इतने small amount of inconvenience के लिए we will like suffer our whole life. And I guess that really applies to our passion discussion as well, when you guys were originally saying, and I think Arnav hit the nail on perfectly also, कि तुम
Because
डर रहे हैं हमें. हम कोबी ब्रायंट को देखकर इंस्पायर हो सकते हैं, बट कोबी ब्रायंट का वर्क एथिक, सिंगल माइंडेड obsession, all those years where he was called a maniac for
All
being
his
just
failures
obsessed
as
with
well. When
this.
he came in, how many shots
Yeah.
he missed. He didn't score his
Yeah,
first points. He didn't even score in his first game. He got like a 0 in his first game. He didn't score anything.
but
इमेजिन कितना मजाक उड़ा. अभी एक रुकी पहला गेम गंदा खेलता है, जायन के पहले गेम के पहले 3 क्वार्टर्स में जब वो कर रहा था, उसको लोग क्या बोल रहे थे. फिर स्पर्स के अगेंस्ट वो, उसने जब वो क्वार्टर चेंज हुआ, सडनली एवरीवन लाइक ओ माय गॉड, ट्रांसेंडेंटल टैलेंट, लेब्रॉन आ गया वापस.
Mm.
I think
लाइक
lots of people
आई जस्ट
maybe they're not able to pursue their passion if they know about it, maybe because of life situations, because unfortunately we are living in a market economy, so वहाँ पे you need that fundamental force to even have
या
basic things on your house, right? So
वो वाला जो पैशन वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है कि दुनिया में मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. ऑब्वियसली देयर आर सो मेनी कंस्ट्रेंट्स. द पीपल हु से दे कैन ट्रैवल एवरीवेयर हैव अ बजट दैट दे कैन ट्रैवल
yeah,
एवरीवेयर.
so
Like it's a very, says मैं I went to 25 countries because I, before I die I want to see the world. But मैं हर जगह प्राइवेट जेट में गया हूँ. But there are very few people who cycle, or like take a train or take some form or the other to, like, travel around. There are people who find cheap ways to do it, but even they have a certain economic advantage.
yeah,
There are very few
I think
people
they
who are
plan it
able
out, right?
to
कि, okay, once I
do it
reach
because of
X
passion.
stage, then I can afford to at least sacrifice
Exactly.
my entire life and then
Uh,
go and pursue my passion. So I think that first step,
when
as
we
we said,
talk
is
about,
extremely tough, but
no, but and even the passion we're talking about, we have to be very careful that we are talking about people who have the ability to pursue it yet are not able to. We are not talking about people जो survival के लिए लड़ रहे
fair
हैं.
enough, yeah.
उनके लिए हम उनसे नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते कि आप दुनिया को उस तरीके से
Right.
देखो. आप नहीं देख सकते. Something has to happen to change it, which is the society problem. There are a lot of people who have a lot, no physical disability, and no financial direct constraints. Not, and by financial constraints I mean, तुम ऐसा नहीं है कि आज तुमने ये नहीं किया तो तुम्हें खाना नहीं मिलेगा.
Mm.
That's an actual financial
Yeah.
constraint. A daily wage laborer cannot purchase food in their city if they do
Yep.
not work that day. Like that is a fact of life. Today, if you say मेरा आज mood नहीं है, आज अच्छा vibe नहीं है, it's not like you
Yeah.
can't order food. You can easily order food. It's not like your lifestyle will go away. Your house is not going away. पानी आएगा तुम्हारा. ऐसा नहीं है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जा रही है. इन्वर्टर है तुम्हारे पास. जब वैसे लोग पैशन फॉलो ना करें,
And I think
उसका
मैंने fear
रीजंस
of
क्या हो
failure बोला,
सकते हैं?
it's
I guess
because
crippling fear.
वो
I
मेरा है, right? That's my problem. So I think I can relate to it. Like I have definitely figured out the basic चीजें लाइफ के लिए, right? So अब मैंने आज काम नहीं किया तो खाने का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाला. So even after that stage, I'm still not pursuing my passion. So I think that's the problem. And I think मेरा it's primarily the fear of failure या फिर कि where to start from. And I think that वहाँ पे केविन का पॉइंट आता है कि you need some sort of guidance या
Mentorship. Yeah.
mentorship. So
Yeah,
which makes sense to me वहाँ पे.
मैं तुम्हें like because since we are talking even from our personal perspective, मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ मेरे लिए केविन का point was the reason for the longest time I never got into a majority of things
हम्म.
कि like यार कोई बताने को नहीं है कि मुझे कोई आके समझाओ मुझे. And we were before this podcast discussing Joe Rogan. Like I can say from my own world, like we were discussing Joe Rogan and we were talking about martial arts. And I have always wanted to learn professional martial arts. But it was always like कुछ ना कुछ तो चल रहा है लाइफ में. घुसने की फीस ज़्यादा है तो मैं मम्मी पापा से इतने पैसे नहीं लेने. अच्छा अब तो खुद पैसे कमाते हो तब क्या है? नहीं यार ऑफिस के बाद जान नहीं बचती. Like do something or the other कुछ तो था. Like you know I'm very tired तो but when I Joe Rogan में जब वो there was this guy who was talking about how Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu changed his life. And I was like हाँ बट मैं इंडिया में बैठ के ब्राजीलियन जिजित्सु अजीब नहीं है लाइक आई व्हेन आई हर्ड द थिंग्स आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स लाइक यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग मोर शिटी अबाउट योर ओन माइंडसेट एंड दिस इज 2 years ago 2.5 years ago एंड द रीजन व्हाई आई रिमेम्बर लाइक व्हाई आई सेड ना जब कालिया ने बोला ना कि तुम्हें पता नहीं है वो एंड आई सेड कि यू नीड टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप आई रिमेम्बर वन डे वेकिंग अप not being happy at all with लाइक यार वेट इश्यूज फिटनेस बचपन में इतनी अच्छी थी अब तो बस पूरे दिन डेस्क पे बैठे रहते हो एंड आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर थिंकिंग what can I do and इतना लंबा ब्लैंक था and I was just like there is nothing I can do except just try something. तो आई रिमेम्बर जस्ट कॉलिंग अप माय जो मेरे सर हैं जिनको आई attribute so much good in my life to that man शर्मा सर. एंड आई रिमेम्बर कॉलिंग हिम जस्ट वेरी रैंडमली. मैंने पूछा कि क्या आप क्या कहाँ का तो उन्होंने बताया 6 से 8 किलोमीटर दूर है. मैं कहा यार क्या यार इतनी दूर जाना पड़ेगा. मुझे लगा घर के पास होगी जगह तो मैं चप्पल पहन के जाऊंगा. मैं अपनी एक्सक्यूज सुन रहा हूँ कि यार पास होता तो इतना आसान होता इतनी दूर जाना पड़ेगा. बट आई वाज लाइक नो लेट मी गो देयर वंस. एंड आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट विथ यू मूवीज में दिखाते हैं ना जैसे तुम्हें तुम्हारा पैशन मिल जाता है बड़ा अच्छा होता है यार बहुत गंदा होता है.
Yeah.
पहले 6 महीने इतना दर्द होता था क्योंकि बॉडी हिल ही नहीं है 10 साल से. तो तुम वहां जाके तुम बड़ा तीर मार लोगे. But now, two
Mhm.
years later, I cannot imagine a life without it, without martial arts at all. Like, I just can't imagine it. Like, और मेरी life, and you guys have seen me इस transition में, like you have known me from the absolute worst to where I am now. तो it physically that the body का जो वो process है
Mhm.
which was pushed in by something like that which I thought was impossible. Let me make it very clear, I thought it was impossible. I never thought I could walk back my whole life physically at all. Like I thought I'd crossed a threshold. But when I discovered that thing that I loved so much, like the beauty of fighting, जो हम fighting का हम क्या बोलते हैं anger वो है, but a systematic approach to combat. When I
Yeah.
discovered that,
See,
it was like wow, यार, this is what I've been waiting for. That's why I said like Kevin की बात सही है, you need guidance, but to Akash's point, you need to take that first step somewhere.
yeah,
There.
for me, like this podcast is a prime example actually. For me, it wasn't guidance, it was like Arnav said, fear of failure and the confidence of taking the first step as well.
Yeah.
Like I always had this podcast in the back of my mind, like I want to do this, I want to do this, but it was always there. Will this be anything? Will anyone even listen? Will anyone even care? will you guys be interested in doing something like this? No, let's leave it, let's not do it. And then I think the whole thing changed when I went to visit Amrit, actually, before your brother's wedding. Or no. Then I think I touched on it with Amrit about a YouTube channel. And then we were talking about movies, and Amrit you said we should have a podcast about talking about movies. I don't know if you remember.
I was too drunk.
Yeah, maybe. You said, but you did say, and that I was like, so yeah, why? It was already in my head. I'm like, I should do something. What's holding me back?
I was just so happy to see you, and we got drunk after so long. I have no idea what I said. मुझे कुछ
We
याद नहीं
we watched War. Of all movies, we watched War.
We
All
watched Super
drunk.
Deluxe also. We watched a
Super
nice
Deluxe
movie
was
also.
good. Yeah, War, and then we tried to drink every time Ricky Gervais said what? What did he say?
Again, I don't remember. I was just drunk.
Yeah, we were drunk, so it
मुझे
worked.
कुछ याद
But yeah, that made me realize, like, why am I being so scared and taking the step? Just do it. I
Yeah.
don't want to regret it later on. That why didn't I? If it's something, at least now that I've done it, and I feel like if it doesn't work out, chalo, at least I tried and did it.
Exactly right. I mean, at least तुमने effort डाला. And I think one more thing people fail to understand is कि पैसा कमाना does not mean कि तुम्हारा passion pursue नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah,
You can do your side job, you can do your full time job जो भी है. At the same time, you can pursue passion if you're really passionate about it, right? So I mean, I don't think वो excuses
exactly.
जो अमृत ने बोले थे, all these are like insecurities, fear of failure, blah blah blah.
Yeah, like can I tell you
Lots
my
of people try to.
can I tell you a primary insecurity I had? Like if I'm being very blunt,
Mhm.
a primary insecurity before I was like, bro, I'll be the fattest guy there. और मैं लड़ने जा रहा हूँ और अजीब झंड होगी बच्चे होंगे वहां पे एंड इट वाज ट्रू एवरीवन एल्स वाज इन शेप और एंड इट्स लाइक वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग लाइक जब तुम्हें उनकी तुम्हारे माइंड में लाइक यू हैव टू कन्फ्रंट योर
Mhm.
ट्रूथ राइट बट you have to confront the fact कि okay this is where I stand right now so I can probably get worse or I can start to change and it's very painful it's physically painful mentally painful है तुम्हारी ego hurt होता है like बच्चे हैं यार जो तुमसे मुझसे older people 10 year older than me who are more flexible much more in shape they can do like push-ups के एक वो होता है the very first day 4 या 5 push-ups as part of a routine and it's not a direct push-up it's like that Indian push-up
Mhm.
जो हिंदू push-up जिसको बोलते हैं 2 forearms ऐसे आते तुम्हें एक stretch bottom से up मैं एक बार ऊपर गया दूसरी बार पेट बीच में आ गया गिर गया नीचे और और सब सब ऐसे घूर रहे हैं और मैं ऐसे oh shit but then I just saw people might smile but then they go back to their life I cannot stop like you can't stop living based on like people's temporary reactions and that was my thing and then जो आकाश ने जो बोला है I remember जब ये podcast की बात later on हुई not December में क्या हुआ मुझे बिल्कुल याद नहीं है भाई but उसके बाद मैं I remember telling
Yeah,
you like we
Yep.
cannot think of this in terms of success or failure let us think of it as हम हफ्ते में एक बार चारों हम दुनिया में 4 अलग-अलग जगहों में हैं we get to talk to each other हफ्ते में एक बार and we're just recording it that's it this can happen without the recording also but it just gives us an excuse honestly because yeah, life is busy yaar life is just, each of us are in very different stages of life okay honestly हमारे सामने चीजें बहुत वो है and this is if we just think of this as a way of catching up once a week on funny topic serious topic
Definitely.
कोई भी
Oh,
topic
definitely. I think वो
pressure
pressure
हट
itself
जाता
is a
है
pretty big deal
in
कि
my
अरे यार
opinion
will it
you know
work or not. वो कि भाई कितने लोग सुनेंगे for example in this आकाश के केस में. वो pressure ही नहीं है कि भाई अगर 10 लोग भी सुनते हैं it's fine because he's doing it for himself.
yeah
yeah,
उसका वो passion था, he always wanted to do it,
I,
so he's trying
I
it
will
out.
you will always have one viewer because I will listen to whatever you make or put out तो I will either way तेरे हर वीडियो में कुछ हो या किसी का भी वो हो मैं तो जाकर देखने वाला हूँ तो we will always have one listener
that link will
तो
go out
हमें
आकाश
for
और
you.
लोगों की
वो इमोशनल आकाश वो इमोशनल वाला डायलॉग तो बोलना अभी You tell
कौन सा
Amrit now. He
Which
said,
emotional
stop
wala
getting emotional now.
Oh yeah, stop getting emotional, you stupid fuck.
I was not even remotely emotional जी
But one more
but
point to add कि I think which अब मुझे अब समझ में आ रही है वो like for past 28 years मुझे I used to be anyways. So पैसा is always the byproduct. Like मुझे वो बात अब समझ में धीरे धीरे आ रही है. Like it's never the main thing in your life. It's always a byproduct of what you do. So you can still earn money, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. Like I think you started from Kobe Bryant के topic से, right? I think
Yep.
Kobe, Michael, all these people who are known for their passion and their dedication towards their वो एक sport या game, they all earn majority of their money outside of sports. Sports was just their way to जो भी वो whatever they were best at it, right? So Jordan
They
earned
like
majority of
doing it.
his, yeah, they like doing it and did it. That's it. Like पैसा ठीक
Yeah,
है उससे आ रहा था, but majority of the money which they have earned is outside of sports. And I think
yeah,
that goes for
endorsements and
even
all.
endorsements, everything, businesses जो भी हैं, and that goes
Yeah,
for every, like even someone in art, for example, कोई successful actor, वो पैसे अपने movies या TV shows से कम कमाते हैं, they earn पैसे otherwise ज़्यादा. So पैसा is always a byproduct. I don't think we should ever go behind कि अरे यार नहीं, no, I have to earn money. But वो
That's
obviously वो experience से समझ में आती है. I think even I'm still trying to gather the whole वो
yeah,
aspect of it. But
a lot of what I think at last 10 years में हमारा evolution भी देखो is based on the lives we've lived.
yep,
Like we have seen enough of this at this point now, and probably we are going to see a lot more that may change our opinions in even in a more diverse way. But an essential point ki you're not going to be good at anything until you really want to
yeah,
do
till you
it.
try it out,
Like I
ये
think एक point,
पता ही नहीं लगेगा ना. You haven't
yeah,
explored things. So, and but by the
yeah,
way, that does
वही है,
not
वो
mean
first step
you should
नहीं
not
लिया
earn money.
तो
You
no, not
still
at all.
yeah,
Not at all. Like my first hand, like you should तुम्हारा like I told you, like the differentiation has to be between but if you cannot sustain your household, like for me it was like when I had to remove any sort of financial constraint on me before I could get to my passions. It took me to reach a certain age to be like, yeah, now I don't have to for the rest of my life worry about ये existential fears
yep,
ever again. Okay, now अब मेरा excuse क्या है? Now what
yeah.
am I going to cry
अब कोई है
about?
ही नहीं, right? Same in my
इस
case,
चीज़ को
exactly the same. I have no excuse.
yeah,
आपको बचा ही नहीं है कुछ.
I
सारे
cannot
ट्राई
say
कर चुका हूँ.
I cannot say किसकी हेल्थ, उसकी हेल्थ, घर कैसे होगा। नहीं, सब कुछ एवरीथिंग इज़ टेकन केयर ऑफ। मुझे लिटरली कुछ नहीं करने की ज़रूरत। अब कौन रोक रहा है? आई एम दैट्स व्हाई आई सेड ना व्हेन आई सॉ माय सेल्फ से यार आई दिस प्लेस इज़ सो फार मैं चप्पल पहन के नहीं जा सकता। इट वाज़ व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड कि भाई देयर इज़ समथिंग रियली रॉन्ग हियर। देयर इज़ समथिंग रियली रॉन्ग विद व्हाट यू आर सेइंग राइट नाउ।
And to
Kevin and
add
me.
बट या
one more
आई
point
थिंक
कि
भाई
some certain things are beyond your control. So वो angle भी बहुत जरूरी है समझना कि oh, I will try to control everything and then I will pursue my passion. That's never going to happen because कुछ कुछ angles आएंगे तुम्हारी life में which are beyond your control. So just be aware of it.
Akash bhai, I think you can take us home on that note.
I was going to say your story reminded me of the chappal pancake. It reminded me of Kevin. Remember Kevin when we were going to we were going to go to class and you were like, "Bhai barish ho rahi hai, chhod yaar class. It's raining now. We can't go."
Khaled,
And it was like
I
this
think there
small.
were too many instances like that.
Yeah, there was a lot of it. It reminds just me of that, like that excuse. Like, yeah, it's raining. We can't go. And it wasn't even raining hard. It's like small drops of rain are falling.
Okay, मुझे पता नहीं वो एक केविन का इंसिडेंस याद आ गया. अपन कहाँ पे सैन डिएगो पता नहीं एलए या कहीं गए थे. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कहाँ पे. केविन चड्डी पहन के 9/11 में चला गया था. लिटरली ही वाज नॉट वेयरिंग
No, that
एनीथिंग नीचे.
no, it was a towel. It was a towel.
I
It
had
was
a
Oh, it,
towel on.
oh, okay, sorry,
7-Eleven.
sorry. I thought
9
7-Eleven, not
9/11 बोल रहे हैं. 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven, 7-Eleven. My bad. I have
See,
no
there
clue.
were auntia there and there was an uncle there. The uncle already has what I have, and it's not like the aunties have not
But
seen it.
क्यों?
Just
What
saying,
is
I mean,
वो
wait,
टॉवेल पहन
what
के क्यों जाएगा वहां पे
what is
स्टोर
wrong
के
with
अंदर?
you?
सही में?
He had a towel wrapped around his waist and he's walked into the
see,
7-Eleven.
I think so. See, we got the responsibility for getting all these supplies, like food supplies and stuff. So
Supplies.
I think so I think I had to go anyways. Like we had to go and get things. So I was like whatever.
आकाश,
Anyway,
you can cut
Yeah,
this part
that
out. मैंने ऐसे ही
yeah.
बोला था randomly. Yeah.
no, this part will stay in. It's funny.
Yeah,
We
this part should stay in. And on that note, follow all your passions.
yes, follow on your
Yes.
passions. If you want to go in a towel to 7-Eleven,
भाई इतने तो वो मत कर लोगों को इनफ समझ आ
yeah.
जाता है.
Anyway,
Anyways,
thank you for listening to this podcast, guys. Hope you liked it. You could find us on all the major podcast services: Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Spotify. Until
Peace
next
out.
time, see ya.
स्टे
And
सेफ, हाथ धो
wash
लो,
those hands.
मास्क भी
Exactly.
पहनो, ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है
Mm.
ये सब। हमारा
Bye.